At the end of this video, you will be able to approximate the infinite sum to 2 or 3 decimal places. The thing to notice is that if we need an approximation correct to 2 decimal places, we only need to include the first 6 terms. Why? Because the 7th term has 0 as their third decimal place. And so by not including it, the maximum error that we are making is not going to have an impact on the second decimal place. The sum of the first 6 terms and the approximation correct to 2 decimal places is the number -0.63. Okay, now it's your turn. Approximate the sum to 3 decimal places. If we need the approximation correct to 3 decimal places, we now need to include the 7th term. The more precision we want, the more terms we need to include. This is because the 8th term has 0 as their 4th decimal place. So by not including it, the maximum error that we are making is not going to have an impact on the third decimal place. The sum of the first 7 terms and the approximation correct to 3 decimal places is the number -0.632. These other 2 videos explore infinite sums in more depth, and until next week, I will leave you with them. Happy learning!